Best English practice.
Conversation 1. Greeting and ordering coffee.
Hi, Jack. Nice to see you again.
Hi, Emma. Nice to see you too. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think I'll have a cappuccino. What about you?
I'll get an iced latte. I like cold coffee.
Oh, nice. I've never tried that.
You should. It's really good. Conversation 2. Finding a seat and making small talk.
Let's sit by the window. I like the sunlight.
Good idea. The view is nice too.
Yes, I like watching people walk by.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Yes, about twice a week. The coffee is great here.
It smells so good.
Conversation 3. Talking about their day.
So, what did you do today?
I went for a walk this morning, then I worked from home.
Nice. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I make logos and websites.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I work at a bookstore. I love books.
That's great. Do you read a lot?
Yes, almost every day.
Conversation 4. Talking about books and hobbies. What kind of books do you like?
I like fiction and self-help books. And you?
I read science books and short stories sometimes.
That's interesting. Do you have a favorite author?
Maybe Malcolm Gladwell. His books are fun and smart.
I'll check them out. I also like drawing in my free time.
Wow, that's cool. Maybe we're both artists. Conversation 5. Music and entertainment.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Yes, always. Mostly soft music or jazz.
I love jazz. It's relaxing.
Do you play any instruments?
I used to play the piano.
Nice. I play the guitar a little.
Maybe we should start a band.
Haha. That would be fun. Conversation 6. Weekend plans. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I'll visit the park or watch a movie.
Sounds nice. I'm going hiking with friends.
Wow, where are you going?
To the hills outside the city. It's beautiful there.
I love nature. Take pictures.
I will. I'll send you some. Conversation 7. Talking about English learning.
By the way, I've been learning English. I want to speak better.
You're doing great already.
Thanks. I watch videos and try to speak every day.
That's the best way to improve. Keep it up.
Do you speak any other languages?
A little Spanish. I want to learn more.
Languages are fun, but not easy.
True, but practice helps a lot. Conversation 8. Travel talk.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I've been to Japan and Italy.
Wow. What was your favorite?
Japan. The food and culture were amazing.
I want to go there one day.
You should. It's beautiful. Conversation 9. Talking about food.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love chocolate cake.
Me too. Let's get some dessert.
Good idea. I'll get a muffin.
I'll try the cheesecake.
Yum. Let's enjoy. Conversation 10. Saying goodbye.
Hey, this was fun. Thanks for the coffee chat.
Yeah, I enjoyed it too. Let's do this again.
For sure. Maybe next week?
Yes, same time, same place?
Perfect. See you then.
See you, Emma. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.